How you doing, guys? It's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this lovely Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. So it's a stunning bike as this one. It's one that we sold previously as well. It's 2018 on an 18 plate. It's only done 6,534 miles and it is a Bobby Dazzler. Like I said, it is the RS model, so you do get the full colour TFT display now. It also comes with a Triumph quickshifter. You get the Brembo monobloc brakes. You get the Showa manual adjustable suspension. This one's got the seat cowl, it's got the tail tidy. It's got the little bobbins on the back as well for a paddock stand. Bar end mirrors, you get the Brembo mass cylinder as well, so you've got all the power of the 3-cylinder engine, but you've also got some fantastic stopping power as well. This one's got the really nice sounding Arrow exhaust on there, and it has got a peg delete as well, but it does come with the rear pegs, the rear seat and the standard exhaust if you wish to have them. I'm sure it'll be sold immediately as these are a fast seller for us, but get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call if you want to get it bought. Cheers!
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.